Virgo, my earth babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Bad health is big business. I'm here to put them out of business. Head swelling, PTSD, stroke, anxiety, depression, mental illness, physical ailments are at an all-time high, plaguing us at the age of an all-time low. I'm here to heal that with my Fountain of Youth technique. But before that, please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page has been a blessing to you. I love you. Your word of the day is goodness. The goodness within yourself. You've done so much character carving. The imperfections you've turned into perfections. The doubt, the guilt, anger, grudge, resentment, doubt. These are the things that you've let go. Things that you experienced, but you did not let break you. You may bend, but you did not break. You're upright and you kept on moving stronger, moving forward, and you cast off these things. These qualities make you feel as though, and actually tells the universe to give you lessons to make sure they could teach you, also tests and obstacles on why you should let those things go. And then build on your perfections. Love, light, prosperity, good energy. That means that you're ready for breakthrough. You're ready to be able to live life, not to learn. We're always learning, but you want to live, not survive. I overcome my imperfections and polish my character and feed on the positive. Thus, I free myself and allow the goodness to manifest and become a source of joy. Your reality, when you lead with love, love surrounds you. Therefore, you're in a joyful spirit, and therefore, blessings come to you, and the world becomes more of a brighter place. It seems like the lamp or the light has just been turned on, and you just appreciate so many things that you can go right over your head. The small things make a huge difference. Through gentleness, because you're gentle and loving, I offer unconditional support and understanding and love to myself and others. Because once you have upgraded yourself, you can see that others that are upgrading or in need of an upgrade. So you give them grace, you give them forgiveness, and that is huge. Love one another, be kind to one another, love yourself. I love you too.